Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
What's up, LITTCLIPZ?
Well, I can't like you just messed up that man intro.
Yeah, dude. What? You didn't hear me? Alright, right now we about to we're heading to the. What is y'all doing? So important that I cannot finish my my intro.
That.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So we about to head to the what's the place called again?
The bridge.
The beach. Let's go, bro. We already over the bridge and they still over there walking like dude. 5 minutes later. 5 minutes later. And they're still walking. Like, come on, dude. Like, they just looking at the water like they don't have a. Oh my God, it's gonna be night before we get to the beach, bro. I swear. These people do too much. Finally, I can see her. Finally. Huh? I do.
Oh, y'all walk?
Yeah. Look how slow they're walking. This is like pitiful right here. Like, dude. Look how slow Jermaine walking. Oh my God. Oh no. What is he doing? Oh no, they ain't gonna pass us like that. Alright, I gotta go over there. It's the next day, and we finally made it here. I'm playing. It's like a few minutes, like an hour later. Cause these people over here want to walk all slow. They can't even freak across the damn road. Alright, now we gotta jump this gate. That's gonna be like the hardest part. Alright, see y'all. Whoa, dude, that's like the best boat ever, dude. You see that over there, dude? Whoa. We're barely over the fence. Oh, now we are. So we finally at the beach, bro. They acting like sand never got in their shoes before. Like, boy, let's go. Boy, you try to fly?
I'm not.
You walking like you never been walking on the beach. We went to the beach like the other day. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Alrighty, LITTCLIPZ. I'm all changing stuff. You already know. About to get in this water. This beautiful Florida beach water over here. They just stalling always, like always. It's drizzling. What's rain gonna do?
You gonna get fit and
like, dude. Bro, this water colder than a bit, I swear. Oh. Can you come on? It's super cold. What you mean? Look at that face. That face was priceless. That face was priceless right there. I'm finna go in deeper.
Oh my God, shake it!
Damn.
There it goes.
I'm finna go in deeper. Oh shit! No! There's a big ass hole right there, I swear.
I got it there.
It's like a dip right there, bro. Like, goon, like. You see it, right? You see it. Like, whoa! You see that, right? That dip right there, that goon. It's not even a big wave. Y'all acting like it's the damn tsunami or some shit. Come on now.
Look at that. It's not even big.
What the fuck? You're gonna wet your shorts a little bit. Come on now. Come on, Varia. Come on, do it for Marley. Bob Marley. Come on. Yeah, do it for Bob. Do it for Bob. Do it for Bob. What you gonna do for Bob? I try to make her rap. Leave me alone. Oh shit. Alright, let me get out this water before I do this, bro. I'm gonna do one of a somersault. I'm gonna catch in one of these waves, some stuff. I'll be right back with y'all, bro. I'm gonna do a somersault. Be right back. Clippers, oh my goodness, lit clippers. We just made a giant hole of water in it. I just ran all the way over here. Oh my god. Let's keep on digging, dude. I'ma see y'all when the hole is much deeper than this. So as you see over here, we made a lot of progress. And they want to go already, so yeah. And I'll see y'all when I can't even breathe. There's so much water in my nose right now. I'll see y'all later, bro. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah. These people walk so slow, I had to leave them. They just... Varia's up there. Walking faster than all of us over there. So I'm trying to catch up with Rihanna, and as she study walking fast, I can't even catch up with her. Hold up! See what I mean? So we on the trolley right now. We head to the library. You gotta know. You gotta know. We all up on this, piled up on this bus, trolley rather. All right, we'll see y'all now. All right, we heading to the library. We heading in the library now. I'm so tired out.
Where you at?
Hey, Garrett. Hey, what up, bro? Dap me up, bro. Hey. And that is the end of the vlog, dude. Damn, that beach was tiring, bro. I'm not
What
even.
is up, guys? That's the end of the vlog. You already know what it is. And I like.
What the hell? Stop.
Bleep that out.
Yeah, I will.
For Lurpy.
Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and press that notification button. Alright, see you in the next video, bro.